Yeah, hi Andrew, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, I got your laser. I've given it a service. Um, okay, so basically what I've done, okay, this is quite an old unit, and the cogs were pretty crapped up, and I mean crapped up. So I've taken them all out and I've given them a good clean for you. I've given them a good clean for you. I've cleaned the micro switch, checked the micro switch, checked the board. I've put a brand new laser in there for you. All's working at the moment for you with no problems. So yeah, I do think this one's had a bit of use, maybe in a pub or a club. It's quite sort of gunked up, and I'd sort of say this is not just from home use. So yeah, I think the cogs have got plenty of life in them yet, but just to let you know, it is an old part. So yeah, what you do with it, in the end, I don't know whether you're going to sell it on or keep it, but yeah, just keep that in mind. Okay, so you've got your 6-month warranty on the labour and the part that I fixed. Okay, so my warranty only obviously does what work I've done, which is the laser. So if anything happens with it within 6 months, I'll replace that laser free of charge, including labour. All we ever ask for is the postage. So I trust you're happy with this and all is good. So it's been on, use now for quite a few hours, and I've not had any faults with it. So I don't think you're going to get any faults. Hopefully not for a few years. So again, Andrew, thank you ever so much. We do really appreciate your business. I'm very grateful for it. So I hope you guys are happy with my work, and if you are, please leave feedback, as it does help. And you guys stay safe up there and look after yourselves in this day of doom. Cheers, Andy. Have a great one.